is with great pride and excitement that we introduce you to a new chapter in our journey. It's a reflection of our passion, progress, and unwavering commitment to providing solutions that meet the ever-evolving needs of our customers. It's proudly assembled right here in Ghana, making it the very first light commercial vehicle to be assembled in our country. Every Phoenix truck leaving our assembly plant meets the highest quality benchmark and is at par with any imported unit.
It's been an opportunity for us to also come into this market as a significant opportunity for us to grow and also be part of the progress for the transportation business.
Ashok Leyland, a name synonymous with reliability and innovation, has been a pioneer in the automotive industry for 75 years. May this collaboration continue to flourish, bringing prosperity and progress to both our nations.
On behalf of my Honorable Minister, I want to officially declare Ashok Leyland product duly launched.